Welcome back to Spaced Out. I'm Mike Cook. Over our summer, some incredible events occurred in our space, so please sit back and enjoy our summer recap. Thunderstorm season usually kicks off in May. Consequently, so does sprite season. What exactly are sprites? Sprites are an eccentric, attractive form of lightning that takes place high above Earth near the edge of space. Sprites are red and usually come in groups. They tend to occur late in spring and summer. Sprites are a true space weather phenomenon and develop in the sky between the stratosphere and the mesosphere. They develop from an intense lightning bolt that draws a lot of charge from a cloud near Earth's surface. The electric field then shoots to the top of Earth's atmosphere and creates a sprite. The last week of May had minimal sunspots and almost no solar flares occurred, so you would think solar activity is low, right? Not necessarily. There's a lot more to solar activity than just sunspots and solar flares. Filaments are another form of solar activity. They are vast strands of plasma held together by magnetic fields, and plenty of them have appeared along the sun during the month of May. An image created by amateur astronomer John O'Neill shows the impressive filaments across the sun during May 2015, including one that stretches more than 700,000 kilometers end to end, which is twice the distance from the Earth to the Moon. If you enjoy stargazing, then the entire month of June was perfect for you. Venus and Jupiter, our two brightest planets in the night sky, converged to make a beautiful sunset sky show. On the 19th, a gorgeous crescent moon joined Jupiter and Venus to form a bright triangle in the sky. Then on the night of June 30th, Jupiter and Venus were 1/3 of a degree apart from each other, which is less than the diameter of a full moon. If you had a telescope and pointed it at the planets, you would have seen the fat crescent phase of Venus and the moons of Jupiter simultaneously. As the first week of June came to a close, we saw the noctilucent clouds hop the Atlantic and kick off the season. Noctilucent clouds, also known as NLCs, are Earth's highest clouds and float about 80 kilometers above the planet's surface at the edge of space. The formation of these clouds is due to seeding from meteoroids. NLCs are cold and filled with very small ice crystals. These clouds are a beautiful electric blue, and that is a result from sunbeams hitting those ice crystals. NLCs are generally seen between 50 and 65 degrees latitude, but they have intensified over recent years and have spread as far south as Colorado. Some scientists think this is a result from increasing greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. Everybody loves Pluto, and no, I'm not talking about Mickey Mouse's dog. On July 14th, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft became Pluto's first visitor by making its closest approach. The spacecraft was within 7,800 miles of the surface of the dwarf planet. One of the images the New Horizons spacecraft sent back shows a beautiful mountain range with peaks as high as 11,000 feet above the icy surface of Pluto. New Horizons is still sending back data to Earth and will do so for a few more months. Scientists will have plenty to look at as we discover more about the dwarf planet. July certainly did not let down any space weather enthusiasts. If you missed the full moon on the 2nd, oh well, you had another chance to see another full moon at the end of the month. The second full moon of a month, or the third of 4 full moons in a season, is known as a blue moon, but no, the moon was not actually blue. The next time we will have a blue moon won't be until January of 2018. During the nights of August 12th and 13th, the night sky put on a fantastic show. The annual Perseid meteor shower did not let any sky watchers down. Dusty debris hit the top of our atmosphere at speeds up to 130,000 miles per hour and disintegrated into streaks of light that flew out of the constellation Perseus. During these 2 nights, forecasters estimated meteor rates exceeding 100 per hour when our Earth passed through the middle of the comet Swift-Tuttle's debris stream. We saw some sprites in May, but during the second week of August above Hurricane Hilda, we saw something even more fascinating: gigantic jets. The best way to describe them? They are bigger, stronger versions of sprites. Jets are enormous and powerful lightning-like discharges from the top of thunderstorms that reach into the ionosphere more than 50 miles overhead. According to lightning research scientists, they are much rarer than sprites and were discovered between the years of 2001 and 2002. Why do these jets occur? One theory believed by researchers is that cosmic rays help trigger these exotic forms of lightning, but that is still up for debate. Overall, the past 4 months have been a space weather enthusiast's dream. From WeatherWatch, I'm student meteorologist Mike Cook. If you are interested in space weather, Millersville Meteorology offers a minor in heliophysics and space weather for students who want to pursue an education in this field. For more information, please visit www.millersville.edu/ESCI.